Okay, Pastor, so we're going to do the first one so you can see what the first one, what it does. All right, go ahead. So he's going to turn that one on, and this is what we see. See? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of them go on the first one. So now he's going to try the second one. Second one does this one. I think just that alone. Okay. All right. And the third one, there it goes. It does the very last ones over there, over there, over there, and over there. That's the last one. So we're gonna kick all of them on. So now look at you got all the sprinkles are on. Okay, and including this one right here, that one right there. All right, so we're gonna shut them off. Okay, so now they're all off. There it is.